Open house. Must-see end-unit townhouse. Saturday and Sunday, 12 p.m. through 2 p.m. 677 Seeback Drive, Charlestown, West Virginia, 25414. Come visit us this weekend and tour this beautiful, fully upgraded end-unit townhouse in Norborne Glebe. Built in 2024, this move-in ready home offers the space, style, and upgrades buyers are looking for. This home features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 3 finished levels, a modern kitchen with stainless steel appliances, a private entry-level suite, rear deck, garage, driveway, and a fenced outdoor space perfect for relaxing, entertaining, or pets. With the added privacy of an end unit, stylish upgrades throughout, and the option to be sold partially furnished, this townhouse stands out from the rest. Price reduced, fully upgraded, end unit, fenced outdoor space. Stop by this weekend. This Charlestown townhouse is one you need to see in person.